Hi, my name is Khalid Abdul Karim, and this is my project from my Cisc108 class. So, my project is basically a calculator app or calculator website, and here we have my homepage. My homepage first it has a welcome text, the current display, and then I have a button to my standard calculator, an advanced calculator, history, and settings. So first in the standard calculator, I have a text box, add number button, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and equal sign. I also have clear and back to home. So for example, if I enter 5 and then press the addition symbol and then add another 5, that would give me 10. I also have the option to put 3 numbers or more. So for example, this would give me 20. And if the person using the calculator puts in a letter instead of a number, then it would return the error sign. I also have the clear button, which returns the display to 0. So back to the home page, we have our advanced calculator. The same functions that the standard calculator has are in the advanced calculator as well. In addition to the power of sign, the pi, and square root. So for example, 5 to the power of 2, that would equal 25. I also have, for example, if I press pi, it gives me these digits of pi, and I could equal that. I could clear the calculator and then go back to home. Here, I can view my history. For example, this is the first calculation we did, the second one, the third, and fourth. I could clear the history if I wanted to, and then go back to the home page. My last page is the settings page. This page allows me to display like how many calculations are shown in the history page. For example, 5 or 10 or all of them. Once I press the change history count, here it is shown that it is changed. Um, so now I'll explain what the state of my website looks like. In my code, I used Python data class called state. It has 4 fields. It has display, history, last result, and show history count. For display, this is a string that represents what is currently shown in the calculator screen. Every time the user every time the user presses the number or operator button, the string is updated. For history, this is a list of calculation objects. Each calculation stores an expression and a result as strings. Next, I have last result. This stores the most recent result as a string and lets me keep track of the last answers separately from the whole display, even though they're often the same. My fourth state is show history count. This is a string that controls how many history items are shown. As shown in the drop down, it could be 5, 10, or all. And the history page reads this value to decide how many calculations to display.